So what to expect when you come in for your hearing tests? When you first come in for your hearing test, we'll take a look in your ears, what we call otoscopy. We'll make sure that the health of the eardrum is good, the health of the ear canal is good, and that there's no presence of wax or what we call cerumen. If there is wax, we'll quickly get it taken out. After that, we go into a hearing test. I always say that the easiest way to think of a hearing test is we're looking to see what the softest possible volume that you can hear at each and every key on a piano. So we put 2 bits into your ears, we play a series of beeps and tones, and every time you hear a beep or a tone, we give you a little button to push. Now, even some of those sounds can sound very, very soft and distant because we are, after all, testing to see the softest possible volume in your ear. So sometimes the hearing test can be a bit daunting, but there's no rush on us. We give you more than enough time to go through it so that you don't feel rushed, that you don't feel pressured, and that you're relaxed in a relaxed environment. After we've gone through the hearing test, we also make sure that medically the ear is okay. We do this in a few different ways. First of all, we do this by testing the bone on the behind the ear called the mastoid. And we put a little headset on there and make sure that you're hearing through the conductive pathway or through your physiological bones and bypassing the middle ear, going straight into the inner ear called the cochlea, and your natural pathway working through the ear canal, through the eardrum, through those 3 little bones in the ear and into the into the cochlea. Those 2 pathways need to have the same or very similar hearing. Once we've made sure that there's no medical problems to your hearing, we walk you through the results and we make it easy for you to understand.